Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest ways on how you can send voice messages inside of Discord. Now I'm going to show you the ways on how to do it on your phone and also your desktop. So keep watching to the end if you want to see how to do it for both ways. So let's just say we're doing it on a phone first. You first want to open up the chat of the person you want to send the voice message to. And now since this is a new feature, you might not have noticed it's here. But if you look in the bottom right corner of the chat, there is actually a little microphone icon. The way to actually record and send a voice message on Discord mobile, you just want to hold down that button and it will bring open a little voice message thing and show you that you are actually recording it. There's also a padlock icon here so you can lock it or unlock it. So if you just want to send it, you can let go and it will automatically send, or if you want to delete that message, you can drag it to the left over where the trash icon is and it will be deleted from your device. Okay, so we're on our Discord now, and as you can see, there's not actually a little microphone button down here. So the way to do it on the computer is a little bit different. And to start with, you just want to first record your audio clip. So what you want to do is you want to download some sort of software that allows you to record just your voice and it outputs MP3 or WAV files. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you just want to record your voice in there and get your MP3 file. And then when you're ready, you can click this plus here and you can either double click on this plus or you can click this plus and click upload a file, and then that will open your file explorer, and then from there you just want to choose the file which you just recorded and then you can send it in and it will send it to your friend as an MP3 voice message. So there's no actual way to record it inside of Discord desktop just yet. However, I'm sure it will be something to be added into the future. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.